We have declared variable name 1 and assigned numeric value 1. When you try to run program, it will print 1 in the console. We can also add variable type. As you can see, we have added variable 2 and assigned value as int 2. It will print integer value 2. We have created string variable type name and assigned value Onexlab. If you run the program, it will print Onexlab. You can also check the type of variable using type keyword. As you can see, it will print variable type str. You can also assign and declare multiple variables, as shown in the video. Let's discuss about global variable. We have created new function test global. And trying to access variable g inside the function. It will print "This is global variable" from the function. Let's change the value of g variable inside the function. You can see, it will print different values in the console. Let's add global keyword inside the function. Now, you can see it will print same value. You can see now, we are able to change the value of G variable globally.